I will be showing you some type of carbon brush or different types of carbon brush, like this one, like this one. It depends on the machine or what type of machine or centrifuge is that. So different kinds of machine, different kinds of carbon brush. So in this machine we are using this one because this one is from the other machine. So we will see if we change with new carbon brush, then we'll see if the machine is working or not. I know this for sure is the problem of the machine, carbon brush only. So maybe this is the problem for this machine. I'm sure this is the problem because why there is electricity coming into the machine but the motor is not functioning. So I think this carbon brush, this is the problem. So question is, how does a carbon brush work for this type of machine? But although many laboratories uses centrifuge with carbon brush. So carbon brushes reduce the damage to the motor. The block of carbon referred to as a brush, this one, carries a current back and forth from the stationary parts of the motor to the moving parts inside of this motor. And then these brushes also helps transmit electricity from outside the motor to the middle part because there's a winding inside of this motor or the spinning area of the motor. So really carbon brush for this machine, very important. So question again is, how do I know if the carbon brushes need replacing? So for this type of machine, as general rule, if either brush have worn to about a 1/4 inch, like this one, see, it's very small already. How can he reach the motor? Because this motor needed the carbon brush to rotate. So if the carbon brush already reached the 1/4 inch of the carbon, then you change already. This is the time to replace it. And also, if the carbon shows any signs of breakage, crumbling, or when you turn on the machine and then you smell burning, you need to open the machine and change the carbon brush. So if the carbon brush already replaced, I'm sure the motor will be running. So as simply as that, very important, this carbon brush is very important because really it is the one who transmits electricity to the motor. No carbon brush, no electricity coming inside the motor. Okay? So we will return it back now. We will put a new carbon brush.